course, the skeptics are going to say, that's not real research. It's not repeatable. And it is kind of hard to repeat that experiment in the wild when you have these monkeys, So what they said, it's no good, that research. Because it can't be repeatable and stuff like that. Now, thank God, another person came out with a way of repeating this experiment. Not exactly the same way. It's not with monkeys, and it's not with sweet potatoes, but it's with rats. So the rat one was done this way. They would create a maze. Okay? They would get the plans. First of all, they'd make the maze somehow on paper, like as a plan. Then they would build that maze, and then what they would do is they would put something that the rats like, cheese, let's say, at a certain location, and then the rats would have to find their way out of the maze and get to the cheese. And let's just say, for example, I don't know all the times by heart, the first one took a minute. Okay? They noticed that the more often they did that experiment, not with the same rat, with the same type of rat, the same breed, let's say, the other rats, let's say they bring in rat number 2, he would do it, let's say, in 59 seconds. They bring in the other rat, he'd do it in 58. So the more rats did it, okay, and learnt of where the cheese is, how to get out of the maze, the other rats that never saw this maze somehow naturally got to the cheese quicker, as if they knew where to go. What appears to be going on is the more you learn and know things, the easier it is for the rest of the group to learn this. They'll either learn quicker or somehow magical, they'll kind of already know it, like it's instinct or intuition. So that's pretty interesting.